Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about division. So let's start with that. To divide any number equally is called division. किसी भी नंबर को बराबर बांटना हमारा division कहलाता है. By observing some examples in our daily life, we say division means equal distribution or sharing or grouping. Okay, sharing equally. So student, these are the pics of some boys and girls. So first boy is Ravi, then Rashmi, then Jitesh. ₹6 has to be shared among Ravi, Rashmi and Jitesh. 6 rupees को इन तीनों बच्चों में बराबर बांटा गया है. फर्स्ट दे टेक 1 rupees ईच. सबसे पहले सबको 1 rupees मिलता है. नाउ दे आर लेफ्ट विद ₹3. अब उनके पास कितने रह गए? 3. अगेन दे टेक 1 ईच. फिर सब क्या करते हैं? एक एक और लेते हैं. सो रवि, रश्मि और जितेश. Now 6 rupees is shared equally among 3 people and each one gets ₹2 like this. The concept of sharing equally is known as division. तो जो हमारा शेयरिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट होता है बराबर बराबर बांटना, वो हमारा कहलाता है बच्चों डिवीज़न. एंड डिवाइड इज़ द सिंबल फॉर डिवीज़न. और डिवीज़न का जो सिंबल है वो होता है हमारा बच्चों ये. Okay, so I hope you understood the meaning of division. Okay, so now next. So 6 divided by 3 gives 2. तो 6 को 3 से डिवाइड करने पे हमें मिलता है 2. We write it as 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 is a division fact. Okay बेटा. Example. Share 12 chocolates equally among 4 children. 12 चॉकलेट्स को 4 बच्चों में बांटा जाता है. Give 1 chocolate to each child. हर बच्चे को 4 चॉकलेट मिलती है. Then take the remaining 8 chocolates and again give 1 to each. फिर जो बची हुई एक चॉकलेट को एक एक बच्चों में फिर से बांटा जाता है. Now you are left with 4 chocolates. अब कितनी बची? 4 चॉकलेट. Again give 1 each. फिर से एक एक बांटा जाता है. Now all the 12 chocolates are shared equally among the 4 children. फिर ये जो 12 चॉकलेट्स होती है हमारे 4 बच्चों को बराबर बढ़ती है. That is each one gets 3 chocolate. इसका मतलब हुआ हर बच्चे को कितनी मिली? 3 चॉकलेट्स मिली. ओके बेटा. So these are the pics of boys and girls. These are the chocolates pics. 12 divided by 4 gives 3. So 12 को 4 से डिवाइड करने पे हमें मिलता है 3. It can be written as 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Okay बेटा. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 is called a division fact. I hope you understood the concept of division fact. Now fill in the blanks. So these are the pics of some fruits. 20 oranges have been divided equally into how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 5 groups. So write it 5 over here. Like this. Each group contains, हर ग्रुप में कितनी आती हैं? 4 oranges. Write it 4 over here. So division fact is 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Okay beta. So these are the concept of sharing. Okay. So now these are the other example. You have to fill it by your own. Okay beta. So now next is write the division fact for the following pictures. The first has been done for you. So these are the pictures of chocolates. So how many chocolates are there? It's clearly 3, 6 and 9. So write it 9 over here. So 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Okay beta. I hope you understood. Similarly, how many balls are there? So 2, 4 or 6. So write it 6 here. And how many groups are there? 3. So write it 3 here. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to our 2. Yes, this is called division fact. So these are the other pictures. You have to fill it by your own. Okay. So now next. Make groups as shown and filling the blanks. One has been done for you. So these are the pics of some cups. So how many cups are there? Clearly 18. So this is 18 and divided by 3, then you will get 6. So हमने 18 को 3 ग्रुप्स में डिवाइडेड करते हैं तो एक ग्रुप में कितना हुआ हमारा 6 कप्स हुए. ओके. Similarly, how many pencils are there? Clearly 14. So if you divided by 14 with 7, that means there are 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. Okay beta. So this is how we have to solve this. Okay. So these are the blanks. You have to fill it your own. Okay. So now next concept is multiplications and division facts. Okay. There are 4 sweets in a plate. इस प्लेट्स में कितने हमारे 4 स्वीट्स हैं. How many sweets will there be in 3 such plates? So ऐसे ही अगर हमारे पास 3 प्लेट्स हो जाते हैं तो कितने हमारे पास स्वीट्स होते हैं. Let's see. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. Okay. There will be a total of 12 sweets. कितने हैं यहाँ पर 12 हमारे स्वीट्स हैं. It can be also be written as 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So this is our multiplications fact. Consider the same problem in a different way. If there are 12 sweets and 4 sweets are in one plate और अब 4 sweets हमारे एक प्लेट में हैं, then how many such plates will be there? तो कितनी plates होती हैं? 12 divided by 4 gives 3. Yes. Okay बेटा. So that is 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 are division fact. Okay. Now observe both multiplications and division facts together. 4 into 3 is equal to 12 and 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Note, multiplication is the opposite of division. जो हमारा multiplications होता है वो divisions का उल्टा होता है. Also division is the opposite of multiplications. Okay. So multiplications table can be used to understand division. Okay. This is very important note. Just revise it. Now example number 1. 20 divided by 4. Recall the table of 4. 4 की टेबल को याद कीजिए. 4 5s are 20. That is 4 5s are 20. Okay. So 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Okay. Similarly, these are the example of second. Okay. You just read it and understand. Now, next concept is write 2 division facts for the following multiplications facts. The first one has been done for you. Multiplications fact. Okay बेटा, क्या होता है? 10 into 4 is equal to 40 and division fact हम कैसे करेंगे? 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. This is how. And second one is 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4. हमें वही नंबर मिल जाता है वापस. Similarly, 8 9s are 72. So if we divide 72, okay, with 8, then 8 9s are 72. So 8 9 72, these are the number or this is this division fact. Okay. Similarly, इस बारी आप 72 को divide करोगे, but that time you have to divide that number with 9. So if you divide 72 with 9, then you will get this time 8. Okay. As 9 8s are 72. So this is how we have to write the division facts. I hope you understood well. So now next. Division using multiplications tables. Suppose we have to divide 30 by 5. Recite the multiplications table of 5 till you come to 30. जब तक आप 30 नहीं पहुंच जाते हैं. Clearly 5 goes into 30 6 times. As 5 into 6 30. 5 के टेबल में 30 हमारा 6 times में आता है. Hence 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Now divide using multiplications table. One has been done for you. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Similarly, 81 divided by 9. So 9 nines are 81. Yes, you're right. And 35 divided by 5. So we know the table of 5. So 5 sevens are. Yes, so 5 sevens are 35. Similarly, these are the other examples. You have to fill it by your own beta. Okay, so do it very nicely. Now next, word problems. Solve the following word problems. One has been done for you. 48 chocolates are equally divided among 8 boys. Okay, how many chocolate does each boy get? तो एक बच्चे को कितनी मिलती है? So 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. Okay, so we can say that 6 chocolates, each boy get. There are 45 apples in 9 bags. 45 apples हैं और हमारे बैग्स की क्वांटिटी है 9. Each bag contains the same number of bags और हर बैग में हमारे same नंबर है. How many apples are there in each bag? तो हर बैग में कितने एप्पल्स हो गए हमारे? So let's start with that. So 45 are total number of apples divided by 9, because 9 are the total number of bags. So if you divide 45 with 9, then 9 5s are 45. Then answer is 5. So we can say that 5 apples are there in each bag. Okay, so beta, these are the other word problems. You have to fill it by your own. Okay, so with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood well. So just keep doing practice and do rest of these question answers by your own.